All right, guys, time to spice up the steering wheel. Everything else is looking like super cool. This is not keeping up. It's just not keeping up. We've already got some fantastic carbon fiber on the dash. We've got other little carbon fiber here and there. Look at these mats. Come on, Jesus, everything in this car is awesome. This, though, this is not awesome. So how are we going to fix that? With this, more carbon fiber. All right, that's how you fix everything on a car, is you put more carbon fiber on it. So let's get this on there. I mean, this install, it's hard to even call it an install. We're going to take the backing off the tape. We're going to clean this up really well with some alcohol rub stuff, and maybe put some primer on it, and then we're good to go. And that's going to be it. We're going to have a super cool yoke. All right, let's go. Yeslak is definitely my favorite source for carbon fiber. That is where this came from. And check out some other videos, side door panels, and coming soon, new front lip splitters. These things look fantastic. You're gonna wanna subscribe and set notifications so you don't miss that one. And please use the discount links below. They will save you the most amount of money. A lot of times they'll save you an extra 1 or 2% over the codes that they're always throwing out at you. And I would appreciate it. It really helps me out. Use the link, use my code TeslaMark, and then subscribe to the channel. Okay, quick video, let's get going. All right, I've already practiced putting it on and off a couple times dry, like dry fit, so with the backing still on there. So now we got the backing off. So I'm gonna try to make sure we got this like lined up first. So we're in a good spot there. And kind of let it go. Push lightly all around, make sure we're well formed. And you really want to make sure you've got it as far forward as possible. Line this up. Let's see, then once we know we got it like all lined up in the right spot, kind of hold it down for at least 30 seconds. Let that tape adhesion take hold. Make sure once you get it on, to turn the wheel, and even when you got like a dry fit going on, make sure it's not scraping here. So for example, before I taped it, it was just sitting on here, so it was a little bit loose, and it was just pulled back further, and you could see where it was kind of scraping on the on this piece here. Not a big deal, but once it's taped down, we obviously not having that issue. But yeah, just kind of made the mistake of turning the wheel too many times and doing that. But yeah, you can see here, no problem, no scrapes, everything fits just fine. And look at it, man. Oh yeah, check it out in the sunlight. That's the best look. Those 3D carbon fiber. Oh, nothing beats real carbon fiber. Dang, look at that. This too, now we got the door panel match with the dash, with the steering wheel. We got a little bit of carbon fiber action going here on the Charger, but not as cool as this. More to come. More interior carbon fiber pieces are on their way. But yeah, this is Yeslak stuff, and man, they've got, I think, some of the best carbon fiber out there. I'm really happy with their stuff. I've got links to all this stuff. The interior door trim, just did a video on that. Now we've got this, the steering wheel, we've got the dash. This is looking good. Man, is it sharp.